Hello everyone, this is our Maths class. In 10th Maths Chapter 1 Relation and Function, today we are going to learn the solution of last 3 examples in exercise 1.4. In example 1.17, see the question. Let f be a function from R to R defined by f of x equal to 3x minus 5. Find the values of a and b given that a comma 4 and 1 comma b belongs to f. In this question, function f is defined as f of x equal to 3x minus 5. Then function ordered pairs are also given a comma 4 and 1 comma b. In this, we have to find the values of a and b. See the solution. First you take down and write the given function f of x equal to 3x minus 5. In solution, first you take down and write the given function f of x equal to 3x minus 5. It can be written as f equal to set of ordered pair x comma 3x minus 5. In this function, x belongs to x coordinate. The value of f of x, that is 3x minus 5, belongs to y coordinate. Hence, the ordered pair of x comma 3x minus 5 such that every x belongs to real number. Now, the next given a comma 4, it means the image of a is 4. That is f of a equal to 4. Here a belongs to x coordinate and 4 belongs to y coordinate. Now you apply this a for the given function, we get given function 3x minus 5. Instead of x you apply a, that is 3a minus 5 equal to 4. Then 3a equal to 4 plus 5, therefore a equal to 9 by 3. That is, cancel means we get a equal to 3. Hence the value of a is 3. Then next given. Now the next given is 1 comma b. It means the image of 1 is b. That is f of 1 equal to b. Here 1 belongs to x coordinate and b belongs to y coordinate. So in given function you apply this 1 we get, that is 3 into 1 minus 5 equal to b. That is 1 into 3, 3 minus 5 equal to b. Therefore, b equal to minus 2. Hence, the value of b is minus 2. Therefore, the answer of this question is a equal to 3 and b equal to minus 2. Now, we move on to the next example 1.18. See the question. The distance s in kilometer travelled by a particle in time t hours is given. S of t equal to t squared plus t by 2. Find the distance travelled by the particle after 3.5 hours. See, in this question, function is given. We have to find the distance traveled by the particle after 3.5 hours. Solution. First you take down and write the function. See the first subdivision, 3.5 hours. It can be written as a decimal 3.5. Therefore, time, that is S of t, 3.5 equal to, instead of t you apply 3.5, that is 3.5 the whole square plus 3.5 by 2. Now you simplify this, we get 3.5 into 3.5 is 12.25 plus 3.5 divided by 2. Now you add this, means we get 15.75 by 2. Now you cancel this, 1 2 is 2. Then 7 2s are 14, remainder 1, 8 2s are 16, remainder 1, 7 2s are 14, then remainder 1, 10, then 5 2s are 10. Therefore, the answer is 7.875 kilometer. The distance travelled by 3.5 hours is 7.875 kilometers. Now we go to the next subdivision. See the next subdivision. What is the given time? 8 hours and 15 minutes. Eight hours and 15 minutes. In time we can written as 8 hours 50 minutes. In decimal it can be written as 8.25. Now take down and write the given function. S of t equal to t square plus t by 2. Instead of t you apply 8.25. We get 8.25 the whole square plus 8.25 by 2. Now you simplify and say the answer. Yes, 8.25 into 8.25 we get 68.0625 plus 8.25 divided by 2. Now we add this 2, means we get 76.3125 divided by 2. Now then cancel by 2, we get 3 2s are 6, remainder 1, 8 2s are 16, 1 2 is 2, remainder 1, 5 2s are 10, remainder 1, 6 2s are 12, then 2 2s are 4, remainder 1, 5 2s are 10. Therefore, the answer is 38.15625 kilometers. That is, the distance travelled by the particle 8.25 hours is 3 hours is 38.15625 kilometers. This is the answer for this example. Now we move on to the last example. Example 1.19. If the function f such that real to real is defined by f of x equal to 2x plus 7 where x less than minus 2. X squared minus 2 here x belongs to minus 2 less than or equal to x less than 3. 3x minus 2 here x belongs to x greater than or equal to 3. In this question, function from real to real is defined as f of x. We have to find the given subdivision. For better understanding in solution, I will explain this by using number line. See, the first function 2x plus 7, here x belongs to less than minus 2. In number line, from right to left the values are decreasing, then from left to right the values are increasing. So here given x less than minus 2, then you start from before minus 2. Less than minus 2. In number line, x less than minus 2, you start before minus 2 and going on. So this arrow indicate the function 2x plus 7. Then next function x squared minus 2, here x belongs to minus 2 less than or equal to, then you start from the number minus 2 less than 3, then end before the number this line indicate the function x squared minus 2. Then next function 3x minus 2, x greater than or equal to 3. Greater than or equal to 3. Then you start from the number 3 and move this. Start from the number 3 and moving on towards right side, which is 3x minus 2. Now come to the first subdivision, f of 4, that is function 4 is defined as, see, this is the number 4, then function 4 is defined as 3x minus 2, that is f of x equal to 3x minus 2. Now replacing x with 4, that is f of 4, we get 3 into 4 minus 2, that is 12 minus 2. We get f of 4 equal to 10. The value of f of 4 is 10. Then now we move on to the second subdivision. See the second subdivision, f of minus 2. This function is defined as, see, in the number line, where is minus 2? Here. So minus 2 starting from this line. So f of minus 2 is defined as x squared minus 2. Therefore, the function f of minus 2 is defined as x squared minus 2. Now replacing x with minus 2, we get minus 2 the whole squared minus 2, that is 4 minus 2. Therefore, f of minus 2 equal to 2. The value of f of minus 2 is 2. This is the answer for second subdivision. Now you come to the third subdivision, f of 4 plus 2 into f of 1. So here first function f of 4. So this value already we find in the first subdivision, f of 4 equal to 10. Therefore, from first subdivision, the value of f of 4 equal to 10. Then next we have to find the value of f of 1. That is defined as, see the number line, function 1 is defined as x squared minus 2. Therefore, f of x equal to x squared minus 2. Replacing x with 1, we get 1 squared minus 2, which is equal to minus 1. Therefore, the value of f of 1 equal to minus 1. Now, you apply this value in the given question. F of 4 plus 2 into f of 1 is equal to, the value of f of 4 is 10 plus 2 into, the value of f of 1 is minus 1. Now we get 10 minus 2, that is equal to 8. Hence the answer for the third subdivision is 8. Take down and write the answer. F of 4 plus 2 into f of 1 equal to 8. This is the answer for the third subdivision. Now we move on to the last subdivision, f of 1 minus 3 into f of 4 by f of minus 3. Here already we know that the value of f of 1 equal to minus 1 from the third subdivision. Next, the value of f of 4 is equal to 10 from the first subdivision. Here we have to find the value of f of minus 3. Now, see the number line, minus 3 lies this interval. Therefore, f of minus 3 defined as 2x plus 7. Therefore, the function f of minus 3 is defined as f of x equal to 2x plus 7. Replacing x with minus 3, we get 2 into minus 3 plus 7, that is minus 6 plus 7. Now the value of f of minus 3 equal to 1. Write down the given question, f of 1 minus 3 into f of 4 by f of minus 3. Then apply the value. F of 1 is minus 1, minus 3 into the value of f of 4 is 10 by the value of f of minus 3 is 1. Therefore, now you simplify this, we get minus 1 minus 30 divided by 1, that is minus 31 by 1, which is equal to minus 31. Hence, the answer is f of 1 minus 3 into f of 4 by f of minus 3 is minus 31. This is the answer for the last subdivision. Now we see the homework sums which is given in the previous classes. Exercise 1.4 first sum. What is the question? Find whether this graph is a function or not. Then we use vertical line test. See, this vertical line cuts the graph at 2 points, that is more than 1 point. Therefore, it is not a function. This graph not represent a function. Then second subdivision. See, in this graph, this vertical line intersect the graph at 1 point. Therefore, this graph represent a function. Now third subdivision. In this graph, vertical line intersect at 3 points P, Q, R. Therefore, this graph not represent a function. Then last subdivision. In this graph, vertical line intersect at only 1 point. Therefore, this graph represent a function. Then second sum. Let f such that a to be a function defined by f of x equal to x by 2 minus 1, where a equal to 2, 4, 6, 10, 12, b equal to 0, 1, 2, 4, 5, 9 represent f by set ordered pairs. See, in this question, function from a to b, then it is defined by f of x equal to x by 2 minus 1. Then set a and set b elements are also given. We have to find the given subdivision. First subdivision, set ordered pair. For this, we have to find the ordered pair. See the solution. First you take down and write the given. F of x equal to x by 2 minus 1. X belongs to set A. Therefore, set A first element is 2. Then f of 2 equal to, instead of x you apply 2 means we get 0. Then the ordered pair 2, 0. Then next element 4. That is f of 4 equal to 4 by 2 minus 1. Simplify means we get 1. Then the ordered pair 4, 1. Then f of 6 equal to 6 by 2 minus 1, that is 2. Simplify this, we get 6, 2. F of 10 equal to 10 by 2 minus 1 is equal to 4. Then the ordered pair 10, 4. Similarly, f of 12 ordered pair is 12, 5. Now, you take down this order. F is equal to 2, 0, 4, 1, 6, 2, 10, 4, 12, 5. This is the answer for set ordered pairs. Then next subdivision, a table. For this, x coordinate. In x coordinate you write first element of this ordered pair. Then f of x, which is y coordinate, you write second element of this ordered pair. Like this. Then third subdivision, an arrow diagram. For this diagram represents set A element which is given in the question. Then this diagram represents set B element, this also given in the question. By using this ordered pair, mapping this element means we get 2 mapping to 0, 4 mapping to 1, 6 mapping to 2, then 10, 4, 10 mapping to 4, as well as 12 mapping to 5. This is arrow diagram for given function. Then next one, graph. Draw a first quadrant, x-axis, y-axis, origin. So in this graph, scale we take in x-axis 1 centimeter 2 units, in y-axis 1 centimeter 2 units. So you write the scale also. Now you mark the set ordered pair points, means we get the graph like this. This is the answer for second question. Then see the third question. Represent the function f 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 3, 5, 4 through an arrow diagram. So in this question, function ordered pair alone given, we have to represent the given subdivision. From this, let set A equal to first element, take down and write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And set B equal to 2 times will repeated, so you write only one time, because within the set bracket don't write the repeated element. 2, 3, 4. Okay, now come to the first subdivision and arrow diagram. So this diagram represents set A element 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this one represents set B element 2, 3, 4. Then 1 from the ordered pair you mapping this, we get 1 mapping to 2, 2 mapping to 2, 3 also mapping to 2. Then 4 mapping to 3 as well as 5 mapping to 4. Then a table x f of x, x coordinate first element of the ordered pair 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then f of x 2, 2, 2, 3, 4. Second element of the given ordered pair. Then in the graph, in x axis 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. In y axis 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. Now you plot the given ordered pair points, means we get the graph like this. This is the answer for third subdivision. Today homework, exercise 1.4, 9 and 10th sums, which is related to the last example. Do it properly. Thank you.